Hey there everyone, welcome to Gaming Basis. Do you want to change your email address on your EA account? If so, then this video is just for you because I'm gonna teach you how to change your email address on your EA account. So without further ado, let's get started. So first what you gotta do is open up your web browser on your device and type in ea.com. Once you type in ea.com, just hit enter to load the web page. This is the official website of EA. Once the EA website loads up, head over to your account. Your account should be located in the top right section of the page. Just click on your account and click on account setting. Once you're inside account setting, you can see your email address right here and an edit button right beside it. So just go ahead and click on edit. First, you have to verify yourself in order to change the email address. If you have put in your phone number on your EA account, then you can choose between these three options to verify your identity. If not, then you will only have one option and that will be of your email. Here I'm just gonna go with the email. So I'll click on send security code and EA will send the security code to my email address. Once you put in your security code, just click on submit. Now here you can put in your new email address. Once you put in your new email address, just click on continue. Here I have recently changed my email address, so EA is not going to let me change it again because EA has a policy that you can only change your email address in 30 days. So once you put on your new email address, just click on continue, and after that a verification code will be sent to your new email address. Just get that verification code and put it in the code box and tap on submit, and that should change your email address on your EA account. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you have any questions, just leave your queries in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.